Alright, so we are getting ready to go to the volcano.
Hello!
La Hoya, is that what it's called?
Hoyo.
Hoyo. It's like, what, an hour from Leon? Something like that. We're gonna do an overnight hiking trip, so it should be fun. Hopefully we don't run out of water. So just starting the hike. We're at the base. We've got like an hour and a half apparently of steep climbing, then it's kind of another 2 hours of flat climbing. So I don't know if you can see, but it's like a super steep hill. Good exercise, but once we get there, it's camping overnight, then hanging out, so it should be fun. We made it to checkpoint number 1. Now it's time to eat a little bit. All right, finished our food. Now we keep going. Close. Too bad I can't see anything except for those cows. Top here, we're kind of at the camp area. It took a solid 3 hours or so. It's really nice, but it's really foggy, so I can't see anything, but hopefully tomorrow the fog is gone and we can get a good view of the volcano and kind of the surroundings. But got our tent set up. Hopefully there isn't much rain tonight. It's supposed to be waterproof, but that's what they always say, right? So we'll see. It rained all night long last night. Our tent was leaking. Fortunately, we got the tour guide to duct tape it up, and it lasted until just a couple minutes ago it started pouring in, so we had to get up. But kind of a bummer. Hoping to see the sunrise today, but no luck. Still super foggy. We were able to see last night off in the distance here. You can't see anything, but you can see all the way to Managua. Like, we can see the lights to Managua and then like 5 other cities that are kind of somewhat in the area, which is really neat. But obviously the fog and clouds came back, so no luck for the sunrise. Hopefully it goes away. We're gonna hike to the crater, I think, and then to the lagoon. Doubt anybody will be swimming, but yay for the rain. Alright, so we saw the hole, or El Hoyo, and we're leaving the campground. It's a steep decline, so gotta be careful. 3.5 hours till we get to the Laguna. Should be interesting. Who would have thought? It's raining again. So we made it down the mountain, made it through the rain. Now we're at Laguna de Tigre, taking a short break, and then we're gonna head back to Leon. It's been a long day, but it's been fun. So, yeah, back to Leon in a few minutes.